Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into Real Racing 3 using your mobile device. To log into Real Racing 3, first of all, download the Real Racing 3 application from your Google Play Store or your App Store, and then from the home page, once you open up the game, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the bottom left corner. In the pop-up, tap the gear icon in the expanded menu once again, and then this will open up settings. Now, click on the Facebook login button from the menu at the bottom, and then click the continue button. Click the continue button once again to end up in facebook.com website where you'll need to enter your Facebook account's credentials. After typing in your email address and password for your Facebook account, click on the continue button, and then you will be able to log into your Real Racing 3 game with Facebook. You can also sign in with your Apple account if you are using iOS device by simply choosing the sign in with Apple option and following through the prompts. So that's how you can easily sign in or log into Real Racing 3 right on your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.